Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to make Google backup on Samsung Galaxy S24. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on accounts and backup. Now here go to the Google Drive section and click on backup data, and here to make a new Google backup, tap on your account and here click on add account. Now verify your identity and after that enter your email address. And after entering the email address, click on next and then enter the captcha code. Now click on verify and then click on next. Now here enter your password and after entering the password click on next. Now when you will click on next, the new Google backup will be created. So that's how you can make a new Google backup on Samsung Galaxy S24. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.